Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 550. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest $1 in Bitcoin every single day. Today is day 550 of our journey. If you don't know what Cash App is, definitely check out the other videos on my playlist. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments there for you to learn all about it. And you can also sign up with my link in the description and get $5 for free. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab, the squiggly line in the tab bar. We've got stocks and Bitcoin. We want to make sure we're on the Bitcoin section. So Bitcoin down a little bit as of the last couple hours. So we'll have to see how that pans out through the day. So down 2% on the day, up 2.7% on the week, up 23% on the month, and about dead even on the year. All time, you already know we're killing it. But we had the huge run up 2017. It's when crypto kind of popped off, and then it's been consolidating ever since then. But looking really good as of lately. Really positive news. Everything seems healthy, so it could potentially be the start of the next bull run. If you don't know what that is, bull market basically means it's a positive market. Bear market means it's a negative market. So like I said, Bitcoin currently at $11,623. I have $840 in here. That is equivalent to 0.072 Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and make my investment for today. Tap the buy button, tap the three dots, type in $7. We buy $7 every Friday. Tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details. We still got a 3% fee on all buys. Tap confirm. Got to do what you got to do with the fees. It's not going to matter in the end. Tap done. And just like that, we've added more Bitcoin to my portfolio. So you guys just saw Cash App, pretty much the easiest, quickest way to buy Bitcoin. Same thing goes for selling Bitcoin or buying stocks or anything else on their app. I highly recommend Cash App. It's just got the best user experience out. So that bumps up my Bitcoin owned to 0.0728. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. So we'll say $847, 847 divided by 550 days equals a 1.54x on our investment. So doing really good lately. If you remember, like a couple weeks back, it was only 1.2. So definitely happy with how this experiment is going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe for more Cash App videos, and you can check back weekly on my progress with this experiment. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear